Hello traders, hope you're having an amazing December. The time has come for us to look back on the year that is about to pass and to set goals for 2022. The last month of the year was awesome for us, mostly because of you guys. You have such an important part on this channel. We'd like to know what goals did you set for the new year that is about to come, so feel free to use the comment section below. Yesterday we started a 50k FTMO challenge and already took some trades. And for the moment we are up about 0.5% on the account, and in this video we are going to share with you the trades that we took until now. For this challenge we will use only the gold 5-minute strategy, so if you are not yet familiar with it, you can find it on the channel. Now let's see the trades and some remarks about the trading in this period of the year.
Hello again, let's see the trades that we took on this account. You can see the graph of the challenge so far. Nothing much happened, not great, not terrible. Let's scroll down and see the stats. So far these are the results of the account, so close to 0.5% gain on the account. I have some things to cover regarding the slippage and the spreads, the increased spreads of the end of the year market, which really affected our trades, as you will see in the following minutes. Nothing really much to consider here because the sample size is quite small. The strategy is within its parameters, so 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. This is the thing where slippage is intervened, and it's only 1-to-9 to 1. Win rate stays the same as in backtesting, so far so good from this point of view, 40%. And now let's recap the trades. I will start with the oldest one. As you can see, we had 3 losses and 2 wins, and I will talk about each trade in parts. So let's see the first trade, this sell that was on that was yesterday on 11:05. I will use the bar replay feature for this. As you can see, we have this downtrend here, and the stochastic RSI is close to being overbought, and we wanted to see a retest on the orange EMA or on the purple EMA to enter a sell. Let's see what happens next. We retest the orange EMA, and then we close this candle beneath it. So this is a valid sell entry. I will mark it as well here for you to see. And the stop loss is again half of the ATR above the EMA that we use for the entry, so it will be 1804449. Okay, the stop loss is in place and the take profit is as usual at 2-to-1. Now regarding the risk that we took on this trade, given the fact that there is this rejection level, it's actually this important zone here, and the fact that after this momentum it got slightly rejected, and the added bonus fact was actually this bearish divergence that was forming here, so we counted this one as a confluence as well, so we gained the confidence that this trade is worth 0.75 risk. And let's see how it went. So far so good, and unfortunately we just get taken out on this candle for a minus 0.75 loss, as you can see here. Now the next trade happened shortly after. Actually it happened on the same candle because the same circumstances were applied here. I will use this tab, this same tab, so we will take this one out. This one was the 0.75 loss, and right now what we have, well, we have the same strategy again, no changes. This level still held, and we also added a minor but still minor additional divergence here, and we decided to re-enter on a sell on this candle on the purple on the orange EMA, sorry, again. The stop loss will be 1804285, sorry, 285, and the take profit will be again at 2-to-1, really close to this level. And let's see what happened here. Really smooth sailing. So we got taken out of this position. We won this position, a 2-to-1 position with risking 0.75. And as you can see, due to slippage or I don't know, commissions, but the commission is way too small. Maybe the slippages are higher this year. I noticed that the spread on gold is also higher. So I think that this is an issue that will solve itself once the new year begins and once all the institutions resume normal day-to-day trading. So we would have won here $750, and instead we only gained $710 when the take profit was hit. We actually so the take profit was hit here. We actually moved the stop loss where the take profit should have been in case the market would have gone in our direction, and unfortunately it would have gone, but due to high volatility here, the market went down, took us out, and then something like this happened. But no point in dwelling on that, because the thing that the main focus on this challenge is to see if we can pass it only by sticking to the strategy that we presented on the channel. So just doing what we did in backtesting, but this time in real market conditions. And as you can see, the first hiccups show up here because of the slippages and the spreads. So this is something that we have to take into account and maybe switch the strategy in some way to solve this issue. Okay, this is too much talk now. Let's go to the next trade. This is a trade that we took in the same afternoon. It was at 5 to 2 p.m. and it was also a sell. It's this trade right here. So after this happened, this was our initial position, by the way, and this happened. Okay, yeah. Awkward silence. Now, continuing. As you can see, this is a nice downtrend, and we wanted to see if we get any retests on the EMAs that we are interested in. Actually, we thought that if this purple EMA got retested here, the pullback would be way too deep to assume a trend continuation. So we were hoping for the orange EMA to be retested, and surely enough, it was retested, and I think this is the candle that we entered. Yeah, it's the candle that opened at 13.50, and this is the position at 55. Yeah, so we just opened it after that candle was closed, and because of the volatility of the market, and because we actually had no added confluence here rather than the small level here, we didn't really want to risk more than 0.5% on this trade. So we opened a sell here with the stop loss at 1797650. Quite a small stop loss, and the take profit as usual will be at 2 to 1. Okay, and again, regarding the risk on this trade, the only added confluence that we have is this level right here, which may be something due to market noise or maybe a halt in the selling market. We can also see that the momentum got slowed down, and there was also a slight chance for it to go up. So we decided 0.5 is enough for this trade, and this is the candle that triggered us in. We get close to being taken out here, but after that we get a full red candle, which again should have been a 2 to 1, but actually due to some things that we are yet to find out, it was only $416. So again, an additional $85. So it's something, it's 0.2, close to 0.2 of the account got lost here in slippages. Okay, now let's see the two trades that we took today, two unfortunate trades that we took today. I'm beginning to think that the trading year is over because the markets are quite random, and I also noticed that today in the afternoon, I think there will be an important announcement in the US market, so we will just cover these two trades and call it a year probably. Okay, so the first trade was taken at 10 to 12. As you can see, this uptrend here, this nice uptrend. And now we get back into the EMAs. The stochastic RSI is right where we want it, and we want to see a retest of one of the EMAs. It retests the purple EMA as well, and then we have this candle which we didn't enter on, but you will see our entry candle, which is this nice bearish candle, and we opened a long position here. The stop loss is based on the purple EMA, so it's 1799621. And the take profit was set at 2 to 1, right on this level here. Regarding the level of the risk, if it were to go down to this level, which is an important level, 1799 at gold, it's also this structure here, we would have risked 0.75, but given the fact that it stopped somewhere in between, we only risked 0.5, sorry, on this trade. And as you can see, we get taken out. We barely get taken out on this candle. So this was actually a 0.5% loss, a slight miscalculation on the lot size. And the next trade followed right after this one, because we basically have the same scenario here. The same EMAs are the same. The EMAs are for a buy. We retest the purple EMA with a nice rejection, the second rejection on this level, so we maybe have a level forming here. So we enter another long position here with the stop loss again based on the purple EMA, and it will be 1799671. And again, moving the take profit at 2 to 1, which is close to this level. And unfortunately, we get taken out right away again. And we probably find ourselves in a ranging market. Or actually, the trend went to the upside, but it retests this level. We won't be entering any trades for the moment, and we won't be entering any trades probably for the rest of the year, because the markets, and also as I previously covered, the slippages are way too high. So these are the two that I covered. So 0.5% losses. So we are minus 1% for the day. We were close to 1.75% plus yesterday, evening us to a profit of close to 0.5%. And yeah, so this is it for this year. This is it for this year of trading, actually. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting us for the end of this year, for the beginning of the channel and the end of this year. You guys have been awesome. And I hope that you guys will have a perfect end of the year and an even more perfect start of next year. And I wish you all good luck in your trading. Again, thanks for watching. You're awesome. If you want to see more content, please don't forget to use the comment section. We really take into consideration all your advices or your opinions, and we want and we make a main purpose to reply to all your comments, because you are the main reason for why this channel is growing at such a rapid pace. And done with the rambling, let's start partying. A new year is coming, sorry, and I wish you guys happy trading, and see you next year with better and more quality videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.